Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little video clip on the color I am going to be doing my hair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you enjoyed this mini video on how I'm going to be coloring my hair, what color it's going to turn out after doing color effects. guys, so this is the end result. It's more of a natural like brown look, which I really like, because my hair, if you saw it before, I did the one and only color hair remover, which is my last video. I'll go ahead and link it down below or put it up here in the card somewhere. But if you didn't see how my hair looked, it looked dull, like it had no shine to it or anything. And so I did the color remover because I was like not sure if it was like buildup or if it was the actual hair dye, and the hair dye was just something that I shouldn't have used, and I used it anyway. I know better. I'm a cosmetologist, so I know better to use box hair dye, and I just happened to use one because I needed my hair colored. And this was about a month ago, maybe a month and a half, that I did it, and then I tried to redo it because it had like look faded or something, so I used the same box hair dye twice. Like I know, but my hair looked really dull, and I just wanted to I didn't want to go back like super dark, like dark brown or black. And I love black. I love me a good jet black or a blue black. Like those are like my favorite dark hair colors to be, but or to have in my hair. But like I didn't want to go back to that, because hopefully by the end of February I do want to lighten my hair, and I don't want it to be hard for my stylist to be able to lift my hair because I used a dark color on it. I can always do another like color remover before I go see her, but anyway, I just love the way that this turned out. It looks more of a natural brown, like almost like my hair color, but with like a red tint to it, like a pretty, like it just looks so pretty. Like it looks beautiful. It looks like shiny. I didn't flat iron it or anything, just blow dried it, and I just love how amazing it looks. It looks good. I'll post pictures in the sun, you know, when I have like it all, when I have my makeup on and everything, girl. But when I have all my makeup on and everything, then I'll go ahead and I'll take pictures, and then I'll post them here in the video somewhere. But yeah, I freaking love the way my hair turned out. It's like a, not a chocolate brown, it's just like a brown with a little hint of something in it. It just looks good. It's like a sandy brown. I don't know how to explain it. It's a very pretty color. I'll go ahead and list everything down below, because I did get the products at Sally's, because I know that a lot of people can't just go to Armstrong, McCall, or RDA, or any places that stylists or licensed cosmetologists are able to go into and get, you know, more expensive products. So I did something that you guys are able to go and get at your local Sally's Beauty. I'll go ahead and list everything down below, so that way you know what it is that I use on my hair. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.